High School CTP DRRM Unit. From Tigawon, Camarines Sur, Troop Commander and Staff, J. Lawrence B. Alcoba. Troop Commander, Jeffrey B. Perico. Troop S1, L. Mike B. Salinel. Troop S2, Glenn S. Calio. Troop S3, Rudy Z. Palazzo. Troop S4, Majorette Leader, Rosel Gwyneth C. Guyena. DBC Band Leader, Ian Juggerlord S. Enrico. CTP Company Commander, John Michael B. Carino. CTP Company XO, Errol B. Kalikoy. CTP DRRM Boys, First Platoon Leader, Nerdel Ali S. Del Castillo. CTP DRRM Girls, Second Platoon Leader, Angelita P. Baduria. School Head, Miss Hilda M. Carulio. CTP MAPEH Facilitator, Mr. Marlon A. Orina. Majorette Coordinator, Emerald Joy P. Esmenda. DBC DLC Coordinator, Marlon A. Panoncio. Assistant DLC Trainer, Grace P. Villesa. Assistant CTP DRR Facilitator, Jose B. Asor. Entry number 1, Huyonhuyon High School CTP DRR Unit, Tigawon, Camarines Sur. We wish to acknowledge the presence of the Honorable City Councilor, Gail Abunal Gomez. Thank you. Entry number 1, Huyonhuyon High School CTP DRR Unit, Tigawon, Camarines Sur.